We're back again. So before we start doing this bushings, sometimes it's good to show the old carnage. That's great. Still warm. I got these courtesy our BRD. Hit them up. They do bushings for Celica GT4s, and these things are great. It's good stuff. Put these on there, and we'll be right back. All right, so a little update. Almost forgot to pick up the camera. Just upgraded to these ground controls. I don't have my clip right here, as you can see, so we'll just make that work. Zoom out a little bit. So it actually off as a brake change, but as you can see, I got the wrong brakes, and they are bad. So we're changing those out. I'm gonna have to go grab them. I already did this side. Everything's tightened down, so it's pretty much me putting everything back together at this point and checking out the new ride. So I'll show you what happens. Yeah, pretty much it just fell through. Anyway, we're gonna finish up here, and bushings in here, as you can see right there. So, and then it's got that bushing down there now. Getting there, we're getting there. All right, we are back. We are back. So the front's a little high up. Yeah, front's a little high up. The ride's a lot bouncier in a soft way. So that's good. All right, and we are back live in the middle of it. Sorry for the huge jump. Currently back on the way to Gainesville again. We are going to the track to watch my buddy go down to 1320. She's running strong. I got the cruise control on right now. Got a gorgeous Trans Am. I missed the cold start on this thing. That is not what I was expecting. Wow. His neighbors must like it. It's a D-badged Hellcat. It'll get quieter, I imagine, but this is great. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh, it is so loud. That is so loud. Oh man. What's all done to your car?
Let me show you.
Oh, typical Subaru.
Yeah. I got the old
That's nice.
half STI, half WRX.
I like the radium.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
I always had IAG because this car is an exact clone of my old car. And of course, as soon as I pretty much picked this up, it already.
Right, we are here. A little bit of an update. That was a good trip. Oh. Took about a hour and a half long trip to get here. We are at Brown's Performance, aka DNL Performance. Gonna talk on how I leave leaves on my Celica. I'm just amazed that they don't come out. What is that? All right, I'll be back later.